Hi, I'm Mark. I work in the repair department at Golden Valley Room and Board, and we've had a couple of requests on how to unlock a four-door file cabinet when the drawers are stuck. And this can happen, and you won't be able to, obviously it's easier with the pulls on, but they won't move in a situation like that. And the way to fix it is there's a mechanism in here. It's a little pin that goes up and down. We want to have it in the middle position. There's a high and a low and then a middle. If it's in the middle position, that will allow this piece on the side to ride on the catch. Okay, the pin will ride in this here and come out on the front side. So it needs to be in the middle position when they're in the front. Then when you pull the drawer out, it will move up and down. And sometimes that pin can be either in the top or the bottom, thus blocking either way. Now with the drawer removed, we can see the locking pin in the center. It's actually at the top now because we have the top drawer out. It should be aligned with that line, so when they're both closed, it should be right in the middle. And this will prevent either side, or either side can open, and if it's down, that will keep the one shelf from opening and the other one from going in. So, with the shelf out, if it's not working, you're going to want to try to get it into that middle position, and you should feel a catch.